What is going on, everybody? Here today is going to be a little bit different. We're going to be working on my 300. Throwing a little engine code, misfiring on cylinder 4. Could be the spark plug. We're going to do a little simple diagnosis. You can test this at home with your car. If it's giving you a misfire or something, quick way to figure out if that's what it is before you go buy the parts. This one's cylinder 4 for my 3.5 V6 liter. Just disconnected this one and it didn't make a difference, so maybe it's a spark plug, hopefully. So I'm gonna take out the spark plug off of this one and put it in this one, and this one in that one, and just to see if that makes a difference. So stay tuned. Don't want to get those mixed up, since you don't know if this one's still good or if it's just a spark plug itself. So don't tell me that's not it. Is it too big? Oh. A little technical difficulty. We can fix that. There we go. Voila. That's righty tighty, lefty loosey. We're having great weather today. I don't even know what's the degree, but feels like good low 70. So hopefully get this out of here. Sure, let's see. But still needs more. Gotta think about that. Just so it won't be so deep. I have more room up here. I think we got it. There we go. Yeah, it looks pretty burnt. Pretty burnt. Ooh. What's that? Yeah, that's probably our problem right here. But still gonna check. Pull out the other one. Let's see how that one's looking. Not gonna lie to you, I have not done the spark plugs on this car, so it probably does need it. But that's a whole nother episode I'm gonna do on this. For right now, it's just a little quick fix just to get through the week. Today's Thursday. Gotta go to work tomorrow. I was at work, but I told my boss, hey, you know what? My car's messing up. I gotta go fix it, because I'm not trying to get stranded. So he's like, alright, cool. Yeah, this one looks way a lot better. I'll put that one right there. Be careful when you put it in. Always be careful. You know, you don't want to be too crazy with things and then mess them up. Voila. Honestly, I just kind of want to go get the spark plug and be like, that's where it is. This one's just bad. I don't even want to put it back in there. That's how bad it looks. I don't know how y'all can tell. But yeah, it's bad. I need to see what's going on. Okay. So let's just put this let's put this one in. Be gentle as always. Just there we go. It's going in. Voila. Alrighty, people. I don't know where we left off, but I went to O'Reilly's. You know, told them to read my check engine. They gave me evaporating emission system leak detected. I already knew that one. That was for the gas cap. I just bought it to get that one out of the way. It's very windy out here. This one says coolant thermostat, coolant temperature below thermostat regulating. I don't think that one's it, honestly, because it's just misfiring. Then that one, we're saying, you know, they're not reliable, they're not guaranteeing, that's what it is. And then this one, I think this one's it. Injector circuit open, cylinder 4. Replace fuel injector. 9. So fuel injector 9 must be this one, which is cylinder 4. And I have come to find that that's what it is, because I put this one in there and it was running fine. It was perfectly white. Now that I put it in there, it gave me this ugly burnt look on it. It's just detonation. I'm looking up how to replace a fuel injector, just because I don't know how to do this. I never done it, but hopefully it's not. 2006 Chrysler 300 3.5 liter. Hopefully it's not too hard. So let me look at the video and I'll get back to you. Alrighty, guys, let's go to AutoZone. Gotta go get a fuel injector. See if that helps the issue of the misfiring on cylinder 4. So I'm gonna run over real quick to go get it, like not even a mile away. It's just right here real quick, and pick it up, take off the manifold. Once I take off the manifold, then I can start taking off the fuel rail. Once I do the fuel rail, then I can start popping things off. And then I can actually swap out the fuel injector, hopefully. Pop it out real quick, simple. And then after that, see if that fixes the issue. Hello.
I got it. I was looking for the injector. Air intake hose. This is for the guy with the smart boots. Okay. Ahí nomás bríncate atrás de él. Gracias. Sir.
We're gonna send it to empty package. Thank you, sir. Have a nice day. Do you need plastic bag for this? No, I don't. Thank you.
ABO 5 or just ABO? Ready?
Cash?
So it would be like 16 or 19.
378. Let's go. Alright, so right now I just pretty much took off all these bolts. These right here, right here, right here, right here. Took off the intake sensor, this sensor, hose, and these two bolts right here. Now I just need the bottom bolts that are down there. I know y'all can't see, but they're 15 millimeter bolts. There's two right there, and then there's one right there, and then one back there. So I just need to do that, and it should be able to come off. Also, I need to disconnect this and this. But before I actually do that, I need to go pick up a 15 millimeter wrench and socket from my friend's shop. Henry, y'all know him with the CBR 600. It's not his shop, but he works there. But we're gonna go there and do that real quick. We're about to go head out. Mike is gonna join me before he heads out of town. So yeah, he's just gonna join me and go pick up the part. Nothing crazy. Zippers up. Fucking douche bitch. I know, right? Douche. Go pull out. I know she did that too. I just didn't say anything, but she was in the wrong. Not even having made it to the main street, the people are already acting dumb. Hey, I mean, you gotta understand. If you don't respect the bikers, then the bikers won't respect you. Well, wait right here. Hey, there you go. Hey, what's up? See that new tire you got on there now? Hell yeah. You just see that, like that dark freshness look. What type of tire is it?
It's a Dunlop Q3 Plus.
Oh, just pretty much like mine.
Which one is that one?
Mine's are Q3, not the Plus.
I haven't even drove. This is my first time driving it. This is my first time driving it since
You've gotten it. So yeah, this is my homeboy's CBR 600 RR. Pretty fast whip. Okay, so I believe I got all the bolts off. I'm gonna see if I can get this off. I haven't tried it, so we'll see. Alright, just got the new injector in, this one right here. This is the old one. It looks pretty ugly. Yeah, maybe that's why she was not running right. I need to get some fuel system cleaner after this. And well, time to put it back together.
I don't know where my extension went. I have it somewhere. Oh, here it goes.
To plug back the fuel relay, or fuel pump relay, I should say, sorry. I'm trying to put it in the wrong way. Okay, just leave that like that. Ow, 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 ow. Oh yeah. I think that did it. hose was unconnected. Let's try it now. That did it now. I think that fixed the trick though. Let's go out for a test drive and see if that did it. Go for this test drive. Make sure everything's good on it. Good to go tomorrow. But I'm pretty sure it is. You just tell the difference. Yeah. I think we're good. Feels way much better. Before it would, you know, just hesitate. Alright, that's a good quick test drive. Let's hit it one more time. Not bad. Good day. Fixed it. I'm good to go for tomorrow. And if y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and to not miss any more future content, make sure to subscribe. Alright, I'll catch you on the next one.